great movie ride. Once again, my name is Kyle, and I'll be taking you from this Hollywood soundstage right into some of the greatest movies of all time, all on one tour. Just between you and me, this is no ordinary tour, because the great movie ride will bring these movies to life and put you right in the middle of the action. First, let's visit those great Hollywood musicals, starting in 1933 with Busby Berkeley's extravaganza, Footlight Parade. In 1952, Gene Kelly was singing in the rain with Debbie Reynolds and Donald O'Connor. Did you know Gene Kelly co-directed this movie? Can anybody tell me what movie this is? That's right, it's Walt Disney's Academy Award-winning film from 1964, Mary Poppins, starring Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke, who hate flashes. In one famous scene, Jackie shows a grapefruit in May Carr's face. She can never look at breakfast the same way again.
You can't put yours right in ahead the first time I see him. You and who else?
It's on the best gangster. Sorry. He's got a point. I hate when people talk during the movies.
Set up a flare or something. Those cigars of yours smells like burning garbage. Just hey, Carl.
Anybody tell me the name of the movie?
Sure, name.
John Wayne made together? Trick question. The world's two most famous movie cowboys never made a motion picture together until now.
Go right ahead. A long time ago, I made the rule. Let people do what they want.
The Duke and Clinton, they some of the greatest westerns of all time. Someone's robbing the bank. Not on my watch, Pilgrim. Sit tight, folks. I'll be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Your guide will return momentarily. Remain seated, please.
Hold it right there.
John, stay. Come on, you're shaking around the back. Oh, yeah? That's too late, stranger. Get that right.
Reach for the sky! You're under arrest! Let go, woman! Get yourself up! The judge will go easy on you! Now! You swing for this! Nothing to it! Somebody's sticking my neck in the noose!
Time to saddle up and ride. God, takes you back to the hideout, Snake. Adios, Tim Horn. I'm riding off into the sunset. Whoa, the sun sure went down quick, didn't it? I'm a stranger to these here parts. What nation is this?
This is Alien. You are with Sigourney Weaver aboard the spaceship Nostromo. Something has gone wrong. One by one, the crew has vanished. And somewhere in the ship, a terrifying creature waits to claim its next victim.
Victim? I don't like the sound of that.
Warning, remain in your vehicle. The area you are entering is extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
What the sound hell is that? snake was here. Dan burning snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
Here in Raiders of the Lost Ark, amid 1,000 deadly snakes, Indiana Jones utters a great pleasure. Will Harrison Ford escape with his discovery? And what will be your fate?
Sorry, partners, I'm making this up as I go.
Not 3,000 years lies undisturbed in this ancient burial chamber. And on the chest, the great stone god, a priceless
Woo! Looks like we have done on the load. I reckon it's time to stake my claim. Oh, none of you hombres move along, fetch that treasure. Less than you want a belly full of lead.
But the jewel is guarded by a curse, and those who dare defy that curse must pay with their lives.
Unbeliever, disturb the treasure of the gods, and you shall all pay with your lives.
The producer seriously considered a young, unknown actor by the name of Clark Gable. The future Red Butler lost this role because the director didn't believe. Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman in the classic romance Casablanca.
Inside us, we both know you were wrong with Victor. It's work the thing that keeps him going. That kind of the ground up, no matter what it is. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon, the rest of your life.
Mickey Mouse in one of his greatest roles, the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia. The sorcerer in this sequence is named Yen Sid, which is Disney spelled backwards. Somewhere over the rainbow, in one of the most beloved movies of all time, The Wizard of Oz. Which way do we go?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Oh.